Chris, don't drop the camera. All right, we are here with the world champion vert skaters. And I keep trying to get them to come over here, but they keep going and sitting down. You guys can all introduce yourselves, because I don't even know your name anymore. How old are you?
I'm 11, turning 12.
Well, you were going to say your name, weren't you? Go ahead, say your name.
How's everybody? My name is JD Sanchez, and I'll be turning 12 on Sunday.
How's it, everybody?
On Monday.
Hi, my name is Tommy Calvert, and I'm 10 years old from San Diego.
First try.
My name is JoJo Jones. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I'm going to try 720.
Let's go, JoJo.
My name is Thomas Augusto. I'm turning 17 in a week, and I'm going to land the 900.
Dang! My name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. I broke my wrist on this stupid ramp last week. I'm 37 years old, and I'm gonna watch these guys do tricks, and I'm gonna clap and stuff. Yeah! Just like that. You need a 900 too. They eat razor blades for breakfast. Wait, do not do that. JD's birthday party session. How I did like 36 tricks for 36 years. He's doing 11 tricks. Didn't get my slow-mo ready. I wasn't even ready. Good eye, JoJo. I'm so glad I'm not doing a learning video today. I'm so embarrassed. What if they're just literally trying it right away? Warm up, kid! JD, you got that, 100%. I'm gonna hold him in the air like Simba. First one. JoJo. How do they keep going? Please tell me he's gonna stop. His face was literally like.
Yeah.
Good, JoJo?
Oh yeah.
You gonna take a break? You're gonna keep going? No, brother, no. We're going to Outback Steakhouse. Call it a day. Oh! See, I feel like if I break it, it's okay. These kids are literally doing 7s and 900s and they can't even run up the ramp.
Now you're not going to be afraid to fall anymore. You got over that. You fully committed to that. You fully committed.
So good.
road. Yeah.
It's not land 720.
Exactly. That was gnarly.
Okay, I have to explain a little bit about what just occurred. We're trying to verify some information, but I'm pretty sure that 900 would be the first 900 on an 11-foot ramp. We have to find out because we think that there might be another person, Guy Curry, who did the very first 1080. Completely amazing. We think he might have done a 900 on a similar size ramp, so we gotta check it out. But if not, you guys gotta understand this is literally history in the making. He did the 900 at Tony Hawk's ramp. Just last week, he was down there with Tony Hawk and he was skating the ramp, and that's a 13-foot ramp. So you gotta understand, with a bigger ramp, you have more speed, you have more time, you have more air, and it becomes easier. On an 11-foot ramp, it's smaller, you have less transition, it's harder to get as high and go as high and do the full rotation. That's what's so hard about the 900. It is 1 360, 2.5 360s. So 2.5 full 360s in the air. Land it, bada boom, bada bing. Shout out to legendary Tony Hawk, the first person to ever do the 900. Yeah, we'll verify our information and see if this was in fact a history-making day of the first 900 on an 11-foot vert ramp. Completely amazing, Thomas Augusta. You are incredible. And shout out JD, you got the 720. Another thing that I think is just so cool about this session, this is like, JD's like, it's my birthday on Monday, some of my friends are gonna come up, is it cool if we like come by and skate the ramp? I'm like, yeah, of course. They're all just like shredders. Like from all over the United States, they've come here to skate this ramp. They're doing 540s, doing 720s, doing amazing, amazing, amazing tricks. So happy birthday, JD. I hope you have the absolute best birthday ever. A huge shout out to all the kids skating in the video today. Thomas Augusta, completely amazing 900, completely incredible. JD and all of his friends, the links to their social medias will be down there in that description below. Definitely give them a follow. They came out here and just destroyed it like the warriors that they are. If that did not inspire you guys to ride a skateboard, I do not know what will. Get a skateboard, get started, have an absolute blast. Get on Braille Army Plus. It's the absolute best way to learn how to skateboard. You got all of the tutorials right on your phone and personal help from all of us, the Braille team, to get you doing all the tricks that you always wanted to learn how to do. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Jump on Braille Army Plus. Let's go.